everybody, I'm Outdoors, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers. And today we're back at it with the S13, and today we got new harnesses. And yeah, so we're installing this brand of seat harnesses, Tonica. If there was an Aldi's for racing stores, this would be in it. Because we got both of these harnesses for $60. So $30 per harness. And first impressions of the harness, well, you kind of get what you paid for. Oh, Jesus. But hey, at least they're purple and that's going to look dope inside the car. So by the end of this video, we're probably going to figure out if a $30 cheap racing harness is worth it. And of course, continuing on with the Ship My Ride experience is Leone and the tiny ass chair. What?
I could hand loosen this bolt.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, I was checking if it was the right size and it came off.
Oh my god. Okay, well, we're just gonna go ahead and take off the old crappy Tonica harness. Yeah. Why is every time we record a video, like, there's always something wrong, like rain, cold, night? Alright, hopefully we have the right size bolts to bolt this thing in. We're also just gonna kind of just bolt it onto the interior of the car because we don't have a roll bar yet, and this is the only way we can do it. Alright, so Leone just finished up bolting out the last bolts, so out with the old and in with the new, slightly better but still crappy harness. Alright, passing through the harness with the first seat. Grab it!
Is this the left side or the right? Oh, fuck.
No, that's the right side. That's the right side.
Oh, fuck.
I leveled it. Oh my god. Alright, and here's the new one.
It's not gonna fit.
Hold on, you just gotta... Dummy. Oh. There you go.
Is upside down or right side up?
Oh, fuck it. Twist it.
Which one?
This one.
Which one's this one?
Oh my god.
This?
You're left. Yeah, you're left.
Okay,
there we go.
Is this one right?
No,
yeah. This one's not right because this is upside down.
Oh crap. Okay, so twist this one. Okay. There we go. They're leveled now. Alright, now that mess is over. Time to bolt the first one down. And this is why I hate recording in the winter time, because it gets dark so fast. And it really makes the video look a lot worse. But anyhow, he's bolting in the last bolt, and then the first seat is in. Harness, I mean, we installed a seat last video. And it's still crooked. Alright, the first harness is in, and Leone is just testing it out.
I like our old harness better.
Really?
Well, it's a lot more easier to adjust. Because if me and you are switching, it's a bitch to adjust, because you have to reach under and behind the seat now. Actually, you gotta adjust it before you even put it on. Damn.
How does it like feel?
I don't know. I don't know where the buckle's supposed to sit. Is it supposed to sit lower? Like down here?
I mean, $60 for two harnesses. Is it really that bad?
No, it's just confusing.
Alright. In goes the second harness. Alright. Stop it.
My bad, I was adjusting the brightness. You look really fucking pale.
Okay. It's in.
Ooh. Fuck, I'm cold.
It's mostly just a breeze.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Alright, now we gotta just bolt down the second one in. And it all depends whether or not Leone's gonna screw with me again. I'm gonna freeze before I finish this.
Nope. That's not where it goes.
Where's it go?
Lower.
Oh! Right. Gotta get in closer. There is a puddle of water right over there. Right next to the battery. Finally, I got it in.
Not your first time saying that.
Stupid freaking battery!
You could have just bleeped it out.
It sucks. My hands are numb, my knees hurt, and all I'm doing is bolting something in.
Hold on, are you tightening it right? Why is the strap twisted?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay.
You had me scared.
You had me scared though. You hopping on tonight?
Yeah, maybe Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it's cold in this car.
Wait, did you adjust the backs? Fuck it, I guess you don't need to. You're skinny.
Alright. These are pretty crappy. Not gonna lie, but I really hate this part, the whole seatbelt thing, because it feels less race car. But I guess I like it better because it's easier to get in and out of this thing, which could be better for safety, I don't know. But yeah, for $30, you get $30 harnesses. Not the best, but you know, at least they're purple, they look cool, and I guess they keep us safe, so hopefully they do. I mean, our bolting job might be questionable, but yeah, I guess that's it for the video. And here's our new harnesses. And if you like the video, like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last but certainly not least, before I die of hyperthermia, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.